friends, I'm Chi. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys this random video. By the way, credits to all the people who made the video, the cameraman. Yes. Now listen, please subscribe. Subscribe, okay, to Chi. Thank you very much. Show me love, man. Alright, so this video I'm about to show is about group of 20 whopping 7 PDP lawmakers singing on your mandate we shall stand. Jagaban on your mandate. Yeah, I will show you guys the video, okay? Yes, it is said that these guys have pledged allegiance, like to, that governor of Port Harcourt State, Yeson Wike. These are his boys, people who have defected, who agree with him that, yes, we have to go with you. Yes, the other time Jagaban sang his own on your mandate. And people are speculating. They are all saying that, man, very soon, Wike himself is going to defect to APC, just like these 27 whopping lawmakers have defected today. Man, what does that tell you? These are the people that are causing, these are the problem of Nigeria. These people, they are the problem we have in Nigeria. People wasted their time to vote for them. I will show you guys the video. People wasted, in fact, let me just show you the video, then I'll come back to it, okay? See that? All right. You see, people wasted their time to vote for these people into PDP. In the last election. Yes, people saw APC guys but never voted for them, but trusted these guys. These guys promised them heaven and earth. But now look at them. The same people that criticized APC, these are PDP men, 27 of them, and more are about to defect to APC, Association of Past Criminals. And these PDPs like Papa deceive Pekin. And they keep deceiving Pekin. Yes, they came and criticized the APC guys who came out for the election that time. And people voted for them, believing that they are real, they have come to make changes in the state. But now look at them. They have defected to APC. Now, how will those people who voted for PDP now feel? PDP is like party of Papa deceive Pekin. They keep deceiving you. Their interest is in the ruling party. It's all about the cash. Go where the money is. Well, they are claiming that, okay, we are defecting because there is a problem, cracks everywhere in PDP. They don't even trust that the ship will take them to the promised land anymore. So it's better they join this Association of Past Criminals, APC. Better they join them. APC. That's what they used to say. It's better they join them in the ship that is selling. Selling, So, well, you see that? You see that? Don't trust politicians for one day. Whatever they tell you, don't take them serious. You'll just be disappointed by the day each time you're listening to news. By the way, I'm stopping here. I will show you guys another video, alright, of Alpha. Who can ever believe that Alpha in the mosque, can sing Davido song back to back, without mistakes. Yes, this happened in Nigeria, of course, Yoruba land, where the Islamic cleric quoted was, picked up some verses that sounds like Davido's kind of words, And then the Alpha picked it up and started singing. And people were like, could this be real? Yeah, Alpha singing the video song. In fact, let me play you guys the video. I will show you guys. Hold on. Okay. See that? Good one. You never can tell that Alpha can equally sing. This means they listen to the video songs and they pretend to you people that it's Quran they read every day. I don't know whether they planned it. Maybe to surprise their audience, people who are coming. I don't know, but you can see Alpha singing there. He should, he should have taken a career in singing. And maybe he has talent, but he never knew about it. You can see that he has people enjoying the song. So tell me, guys, what do you think in the comment section about these 27 APC? PD. Yes, now they are APC. Yes, formerly they are PDP. 27 PDP men, lawmakers are defected to PDP. What do you think? Are they not disappointment and disgrace to? It's a waste of time to all the people that voted for them. Lies. Their words are all full of lies. Never. It's all about where is the money, which group should we join, where the money is. And remember that PDP could have won if not of Atiku, who was so stubborn to remove that Ayuman, their national chairman. He was so stubborn to remove him. Look at the difference between APC and PDP. Look at the vote difference. That's 1 million or so. If only PDP won in Port Harcourt, man, that is the end. The APC could have lost. So you see, because Wike decided to play the other game to favor the APC guys, gave them all the vote. And that's why APC won. Jagaban won. So I think they should teach PDP a big lesson. If they have collaborated, Wike being even the president, Atiku being his vice, that could have been how it is. But Wike even was like, okay, give me the vice president. And they still refused. Now they have seen that the man is so powerful. Take it or leave it. Wike is powerful. And the way I'm seeing that man is likely to be the next president. Forget it. People are scared of him. That man, he has power and authority. He has followership. Many people, politicians, believe in him. More PDP people are defecting, all because of him. You know? So, and you know, the other groups of coalition of concerned people, political parties, they are there grouping themselves. 7 parties have merged. They want to conquer APC. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. If they still have those in-house fighting, they are going nowhere. They are going nowhere. These are strong, corrupt men of PDP defecting to APC to teach them the game. Yes, each time they defect to APC, they teach them the game and say, this is how we do it. This is how we do it, you know. So APC will become more powerful systematically in rigging elections left and right. So from what you are seeing, you can tell that APC will still win. Yes, Wike will still join APC. And then the force will be more powerful, like atomic bomb. Let me play you guys their video again so you see them singing the song of So guys, I'm leaving you guys here for now. So you guys will tell me what you think in the comment section about all these our fathers who have failed us. In fact, look at our age. We are getting old. We have not seen a better Nigeria. Tell me when last you saw a better Nigeria. What has been working in that country that you know? Tell me one thing that you know that is working. I think corruption and crime. I think those are the two, and human parts selling, kidnapping, armed robbery. These are the things selling in that country. And the only freedom and the only thing you benefit from being in Nigeria is that you have the freedom to urinate anywhere you want. Even in people's car tire, you can go there and urinate. In the dustbin on the road, on people's house wall. You have freedom to urinate everywhere you want. As a Nigerian, you benefit that. Take it or leave it. Even if you want to poo-poo, you can poo-poo anywhere. It's your right. These are the freedoms you have as a Nigerian. Tell me else, which other freedom you have? You're on your own. Government don't know about you. They don't care about you. You know? I pity the people who stand in the sun voting for these people. Some people even lost their life. If only their spirit could come out and they will see that, man, is it the people who wasted our life to vote for? Look at them defecting back to APC. What we fought for them to win. Some people are in prison because of these people. They voted for PDP. They are in prison now. Maybe they were arrested for one thing or the other. Because of them. But now look at them moving to APC. If they have known that these people will betray them and move to APC, they wouldn't have wasted their time. You know, when people that voted last see them defecting like this, they'll be like, well, in the next election, they are not even bother going to come out to vote because it's a waste. Their vote have just wasted, just like that. Let me show you that cleric man, that Alpha singing again. I know you want to see that one. I'll show you.
She know what Ferrari. She said that my love.